My name's Jackson Parker.
And my name is Everett Carvalho.
We are both seniors in high school from San Francisco, California, and our idea is TradeScope.
We both have experience and prior knowledge in the blue-collar industry, as I worked as a mechanic shop over the summer of 2024. I built a strong connection with all my colleagues, and I was deeply saddened to know that other students in high school may never get the chance to explore their interest in the trades.
This inspired us to create TradeScope, as college is often seen as the default path, while the trades offer fulfilling and stable career path.
Our program's focus is to inform and motivate high school students to consider joining the construction industry. Our program is a hands-on VR-assisted workshop. We will have realistic simulations of specific job roles without needing any of the real equipment.
We want TradeScope to have central units on specific skills needed to work in construction. Our Oculus VR realistic simulation will put their learnings from our units to the test and have a full hands-on learning experience.
We will teach blueprint readings, carpentry, masonry work, and heavy equipment operations. We want high schoolers to get a full experience in introductory trade school through our program and virtual reality. Thank you for listening.